Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Ton coin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So first of all, just go ahead and log into Bitget. So I'm going to just type Bitget right here, Bitget, right? And then basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to the withdraw section, right? And then basically choose the Ton coin from the list of assets. And then basically what you're gonna do next, select the Ton coin, paste your Tonkeeper wallet address, double check the address and the amount, and then follow the prompts to confirm and finalize the transfer. So your Ton will should appear in your Tonkeeper wallet after the transaction is processed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.